What's up guys, I hope you guys are doing great. Today we're going to learn how you can create a simple street image into a cyberpunk effect. Guys, it's very simple. I know you guys saw this effect in a lot of movies like Blade Runner and other movies. So it's a very cool effect. It's the combination of blues and pinks, and it really creates a futuristic look. So for further ado, let's get started. So guys, you have to take a very cool picture. As you can see, I already downloaded this picture from a free website. I am going to add the link into description so you can also download that same image. So guys, if you already have your own image, this kind of a street image, you can work on it and you can create a very cool effect on it. So first of all guys, to create that amazing effect, you have to understand how it works. So you can say in a lot of movies, in sci-fi movies like Blade Runner and a lot of other movies, there are two main colors in it. So there are blues and pinks in it. So what we're going to do, we're going to add blues and pinks in it to create a very cyber and a very cyberpunk effect to it. So first of all, we have to settle it down and create blues and pinks. So you have to, as you can see, another thing in this image, there are a lot of oranges and colors, a lot of pop out, like oranges popping out. So we have to tense the orange and take it into pink. So what we're gonna do first, click on the image and we go to camera raw filter, and we have to increase blue. As you can see, blue is adding into it, and we have to increase pink. So this is like something like this, and we have to click OK. As you can see, there are a lot of blues in it but very less pinks in it. So how are we going to add pink into it? So we're going to add pink. For that we have to select this icon, we have to add gradient map, this is the gradient map icon, and you have to select this gradient map. I already made this gradient map, so you can also create your own, or maybe you can create the same. So how are you going to create the same? By copying this code. You have to copy this code. Okay, this is pink and this is blue. You have to copy this code. Okay, now you can see a lot of pink is going to replace the orange. Orange is now where we have orange in the image, it's now replaced with the pink. So you have to blend it with the background. You have to click on vivid light. So yeah, as you can see guys, now the color is now, the orange is now replaced with pink. It's not a lot of pink, but the pink that we really wanted, pink. So now the image is now looking not really that much good that we really wanted. So we have to opacity, we have to lower the opacity. Yeah, like this. Yeah, it's according to your style, as you need, like this. Yeah, if you need 60 you can add 60. If you need, yeah, it's like, oh my god, you have to select 60 like this. Okay, you can add 60 from your keyboard. Okay, so now you can guys see, now there is a problem. People are also you can say like blue. Now we don't want our people to be blue, so we wanted to select this brush, and you have to select black color and increase the brush, and now you have to clear this out like this. this part have to be clear. Our people have to be less blue, less pink. So I have to erase this part. So now it's looking okay. Now you have to add pink into it. So go back to this button, add curve adjustment layer, and select red into this and add increase the pinks of it. Yeah, like this. So guys, after adding this adjustment layer, we have to select, we have to add another curve into it to make this image little bit darker and increase its contrast like this. Yeah, now it's looking really cybery and cyberpunk effect into it. So guys, you can also add rain effect into it. I already have an image, so you can also download any image you wanted. So I'm going to select my image. This is a rain file. I'm going to drag into it and I'm going to make it big, as you can see. Now you can go to planning option and select screen, and you have to decrease its opacity. Yeah, like this. Yeah, if you want to do 20%, you can do 20. Yeah, this is 20. Again, I'm doing it, so you can also select from your keyboard and select 20. So guys, here you have the really cool cyberpunk effect to your image, and you can create it more pink, and if you wanted to add more pink into it, you can add more pink into it. If you wanted to add more or blue into it, you can add blue into it. If you wanted to add more pink, you can go to the gradient map effect and you can add this. This is more pink. If you wanted to increase it more, you know, that's all dependent on your need. And I think that this one here is cool. So guys, there are a lot of things you can do with the effect. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like it, click like button, and I'm going to help you out create cool effects, photo manipulation. In the near future, I'm going to upload a lot of videos on daily basis, so do check out that. For that you have to click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon, so you can get notification of every video we're going to make. So that's it for guys, bye.